Welcome. If you want Instagram to ask for your location permission every time you use the app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, managing your privacy and controlling when Instagram can access your location has never been easier. Let's walk through the simple steps together. Start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main page, look towards the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them. This will open a menu with several options designed to help you manage your Instagram experience. From the menu, select App Info. This will take you to a new window where you can access all the important settings related to your Instagram app. Here, you'll want to look for the Settings option and click on it to continue. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see More Settings and Permissions. Click on this section to reveal all the permissions Instagram can request on your device. This is where you have full control over what the app can and cannot do. Find the Location option in the list. Next to Location, you'll see several choices for how Instagram can use your location data. To ensure you're always in control, select Ask. This setting means Instagram will prompt you every time it wants to access your location, giving you the choice to allow or deny access in real time. That's it. You've now set Instagram to ask for your location permission every time it needs it on your PC. This way, you can enjoy all the features Instagram offers, like tagging locations in your posts or discovering places nearby, without worrying about your privacy. Remember, you can always return to these settings and adjust your preferences whenever you like. Taking a moment to review your permissions is a smart way to keep your information safe while making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for tuning in. Now you know exactly how to allow asking for location permission on Instagram with the new update. Stay in control and enjoy sharing your moments with confidence.